Good morning, children. Functions of the government and organs of the government. What are the organs of the government? How they are interrelated with each other. In this chapter, in this session, we are going to discuss about the Constitution. So today we are going to discuss about the Constitution of India. In this, the main points are: what is Constitution, how does it functions, and making of Constitution, and the sources of Constitution, the preamble of the Constitution, and silent features of Constitution. So first we are going to see about the definition of Constitution. So what is a Constitution? A supreme document that regulates the relationship between the governed and the government. What is it? A supreme document that regulates the relationship between the governed. Governed means the people and the government. It discusses about the relationship of the government and the people is known as Constitution. So it is of two types. One is the written Constitution and another one is unwritten Constitution. Example for written Constitution is India, and example for unwritten Constitution is UK. So how does it function? So it acts as the supreme basic law of the country. So the government follows the rules and regulations which are there in the Constitution. So it is called as the basic law of the country. So how does it make? So making of Constitution. So a Constitution Assembly was set up, and in that 385 members were there in that, and they discussed thoroughly about the formation of Constitution, and it took 2 years, 11 months and 17 days to prepare the Constitution. Once again, how many days it took for preparation of the Constitution? 2 years, 11 months and 17 days it took for the preparation of the Constitution. So the main persons of preparation of the Constitution are Jawaharlal Nehru, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, and Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. These are the main persons of the Constitution. So it was passed and adopted of the Constitution Assembly on 26th November 1949. So it was passed and adopted by the Constitution Assembly on 26th November 1949, and it was inaugurated on 26th January 1950. So on that day onwards, we are going to celebrate this day as a Republic Day. So the next step, the Constitution, the written Constitution headed by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. The written Constitution, it is known as Drafting Committee headed by B.R. Ambedkar. B.R. Ambedkar. So the preparation and the final form of the Constitution has 395 articles and 8 schedules. The final form of the Constitution has the final form of Constitution. Final form of Constitution has 395 articles and 395 articles and 8 schedules. So once again, see children, once again you see what is a Constitution? A supreme document that regulates the people and the government. The relationship between the people and the government is known as the Constitution. it acts, how does it functions? It acts as a supreme law, it acts as a basic law of the country, and the making of the constitution, it took a constitution assembly was set up, and 385 members were there in that, and they took 2 years, 11 months and 17 days to prepare this constitution. And the main persons behind the preparation of the constitution were Jawaharlal Nehru, Dr. Rajendra Prasad and Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and they passed and adopted the constitution assembly on 26 November 1949, and it was inaugurated on 26 January 1950. It's a final form 395 articles and 8 schedules. Sources of constitution. Sources of constitution means while they are preparing the constitution, they took some important main things from the different constitutions. In this, first, we call it 3 centuries, Britishers ruled us, so that the main half of the constitution was we taken from only British constitution. So from British constitution, we took parliamentary form of government, rule of law, law making procedure, cabinet government and single citizenship. Once again see the sources of the constitution. 3 centuries the Britishers ruled us, so we took mainly from the Britishers constitution, we took parliamentary form of government, rule of law, law making procedure and cabinet government and single citizenship. And the second one is we took some ideas from USA. They are republican form of government, fundamental rights and independent judiciary. Once again, we took the ideas from USA are republican form of government, fundamental rights and independent judiciary. And the directive principles of state policy are taken from Irish constitution. See, directive principles of state policy are taken from Irish constitution. So, from French constitution, we adopted the concepts of liberty, equality and fraternity. From the French constitution, we adopted the concepts of liberty, equality and fraternity. From the Canadian constitution, we adopted quasi-federal form of government and residual powers. From the Canadian constitution, we adopted quasi-federal form of government and residual powers. And from the German constitution, we adopted emergency powers. And most of the Indian constitution was adopted from the Act of 1935. See, most of the Indian constitution was adopted the Act of 1935. So once again, once you see, from French constitution, we adopted the concepts of liberty, equality and fraternity. And from Canadian constitution, we adopted the quasi-federal form of government and residual powers. And from the German constitution, we adopted the emergency powers, and most of the Indian constitution was adopted of Indian Act 1935. The next concept is preamble. So preamble is described as a identity card of the Indian Constitution. It is described as a identity card of Indian Constitution. It mentions in this preamble, it mentions the aims and aspirations and objects of the people of India. It describes the aims, aspirations and objects of the people of India. Just